Hello everyone, in this video let's learn how to solve this challenging integral. Alright, the integral from 0 to 1 of square root of 1 plus 2 square root of s minus s squared. Alright, so let's factor square root of s out to see what happens. The integral from 0 to 1, square root of 1 plus 2 times square root of s times 1 minus s, right? Now, I just rewrite this one, the integral from 0 to 1, square root of 1 plus 2 square root of s times 1 minus s. Now, remember, we have the complete square formula, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared equals a minus b all together squared. If this one is plus sign, this one must be plus sign, right? Now, let this one be A, this one be B. So if I square this one, doesn't mean it's going to be S, right? If I square this one, doesn't mean it's going to be 1 minus S, right? So I just rewrite this integral from 0 to 1. Put the square root side, right? Now I have 1 right here, rewrite 1 right here. So I just subtract s, right? Now I rewrite this guy right here, plus 2 square root of s times 1 minus s, right? Then I'm gonna add s, right? And I put the s outside, right? So you see that this guy remains unchanged, right? Now, this guy can be written as square root of 1 minus s squared, right? This guy can be written as square root of s squared, right? So now I can apply the complete square formula right here. So this guy turns out to be the integral from 0 to 1 square root of 1 minus s, right? Plus square root of s all together square ds, right? Now, this guy is the same thing as the integral from 0 to 1. Absolute value of square root of 1 minus s plus square root of s ds, right? Now, since s is between 0 and 1, so this one always positive, right? So I can remove the absolute value side without changing anything, right? So it turns out to be the integral from 0 to 1 square root of 1 minus s plus square root of s ds, right? Now I can convert this one into the exponent, so it will be integral from 0 to 1 minus s power of 1 half, right? This one should be plus side, plus s power of 1 half ds, right? Alright, now you have the formula as plus b all together power of n. If you take n times the derivative of this one, it turns out to be 1 over a times as plus b power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Right? Now go back over here. I can rewrite this one as integral from 0 to 1 of negative s plus 1 raised to the 1 half plus s power of 1 half ds, right? So I can apply this formula right here. A in this situation is negative 1, right? So it turns out to be negative s plus 1 power of 3 half over 3 half, right? Plus s power of 3 half over 3 half, right? Evaluated from 0 to 1, right? Now I can simplify this one by substituting 1 into this expression. So I have the first one equals 0, right? The second one right here I have 1 over 3.5, which means 2 over 3, right? The second one I substitute 0 into the first one right here. So I have plus 2 thirds. And 0 substitute over here is the base 0, right? So the answer is 4 thirds. And it's your time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in